In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Now scroll down again, click on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Finally, select Add Face Data at the top and hit Start at the bottom right corner. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on. Sorry. I guess that Face Unlock is working properly. If you want to delete it, just click on Delete Face Data at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!